on everybody. Just starting to look at the escort after the rolling road day at the weekend. We were still having the misfire, and I decided just to quickly pull the wire and loom it and just have a check at it, because Andy said obviously wire and loom and ECU could possibly be issues. And I've just noticed a broken wire, so I'm hoping that's something, and I'm just going to rip the rest out and see what we find with it. You can see the camera's not really wanting to focus, but as you can see just there, just the end of the wire. Poking it, I don't know if you can see that, but aye, that's sort of fun so far, so I'm hoping to find something with that. So, as you can see, I've got the full engine harness out, so I'm just going to go ahead and start stripping all the insulating off it and have a wee look, see what we find. Hopefully a couple of faults. As I say, I've already seen one broken wire, so pretty much just the same as yesterday. It's a new day in case you've not noticed, which I take it you wouldn't, but pretty much last night just got it all stripped and found a couple of wee bad bits, a couple of bits with corrosion and that in them. So the day I managed to get new relay holders and fuse holders next. I'm just going to replace the original Ford ones because obviously they're 20 odd year old and they're a bit corroded inside and the pins don't look the best and stuff, so just going to replace both of them. And I also bought just a 3-pin like connector plug for these wires here, which is like your live and your ignition and that for the loom, just because they were soldered in before and I had to cut them to get them out, so I'll just put them on a plug to make that easier for future. So I've actually just went ahead and pinned out all the loom, checking for continuity and also checking for resistances, and just about everything came back pretty good. I've just got everything wrote down on this bit of paper, but they all came back. I think I've also, I don't know how you can see it, but I've just replaced the 2 relay blocks and the 2 fuse holders that come on the loom as well with new ones, with new pins in them, because they were actually pretty high resistance and pretty corroded inside. So I've just redone them, and that's my 3 wires for the loom. I'm just going to put it onto a plug, and then that's it. I can actually tape it all back up. I've also ordered new plugs for all the connections, so all new plugs with connectors inside them. So they should be here on Thursday, and I'll put all them on the loom as well. And the loom should actually be pretty good at that. So finally, after about 2 weeks, finally got the post, all the new plugs for the loom. So I'm just going to be going ahead and doing that. Probably, if any of you have watched the last couple of videos, I put up just a couple of random videos, just as doing stupid stuff in the snow and that. It was just to try and keep some videos basically going on the channel whilst we weren't getting any parts for the cars. But that's as we go. At the end of the day, we should be getting a set of spark plugs tomorrow, hopefully, that we've ordered online, and we've also been getting a lot of bits for the Sierra, so probably be another video of that going up at some point this week as well. So hope you enjoy it. Basically the kit consists of all the plugs on the loom and new connectors, wee rubber grommets just to go in, and also rubber boots as well, just to stop any more water or anything coming in. So I'm just going to go ahead and start swapping all these out. Well, that's the first plug change to, which is a water temp, and they're actually quite good, the plugs, and they've also got like a wee lock that goes on the end that stops the pins from falling it, which is pretty good. So just to put the rubber gaiter on, that's it. Just another 8 or something today. Just another quick thing, if there was a complaint at all about the plugs, there's no really a complaint, but if there was a complaint, the only thing would be because they're all black, you don't really know what one's what once they're all done. So all I'm doing is I'm just putting a bit of masking tape on and just labeling them as I'm laying them, because usually they're colour coded. You can't really mix them up anyway, because once the loom's in, they sit at the right bit. The only two that are really close to each other is the crank and the phase sensor, I'm sure. But you can't really mix them up, but just in case I'm going to label them anyway. So that's us finally done. All the new plugs on with all the new rubbers, and looks pretty good. And also that's all the old plugs that came off, and as you can see, some of them are like melted and bits missing and all that, so should be good. How's it going, everybody? Just got the loom all fitted back into the car, so I don't know how well you can see it, but all the new plugs and all that are on, and it looks pretty good. Just going to go for a fire up the now, and it should just fire straight up. There shouldn't really be any issues. So as you can see, it's running, sounds pretty good, revs up nice, not really any complaints to it. The only other thing I've ordered for it new is a set of spark plugs, because the plugs that are in it are about a year old, so I think they might be a bit iffy as well. So I've ordered a new set of plugs. I'm going to hopefully get them the next couple of days, and I'll get them fitted, and then we'll take it out a run, hopefully with no misfires or any issues. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, remember to like and subscribe, and obviously good to have another video on the channel with the escort, because it's been like a week or two since I last posted anything about it, just because of the snow and all the posts being delayed and all that. I've just not had any parts to fit or anything today really over the last couple of weeks. So hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.